Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to protect PDF file with password. Here is our PDF file on desktop. So let's do it. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Go to any browser, type Protect PDF, go to the site, select your PDF, set your password, and repeat it. Finally, press the button. It's ready to download. Download it. It's asking the password. It was 123123. You can find your PDF by pressing Show in Folder. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!